Kurtorim MLA Alexo Reginaldo Lourenco writes to Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant to cancel all the exams of SSC and the remaining papers of HSSC. As per the letter drafted to CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, Alexo Reginaldo Lourenco requested CM not to hold SSC examination as this pandemic coronavirus, which is increasing, better cancel all the exams of SSC and remaining papers of HSSC. He also demanded that the Goa state should follow the MHA guidelines issued by the Government of India, that is closure of school, colleges, educational training, coaching institution. Here's a letter written to CM Dr. Pramod Sawant by MLA Alexo Reginaldo Lourenco. Sir, I would like to bring to your kind notice about the content of MHA's recent guidelines for lockdown 4.0, which has come into force from today, that is May 18, 2020 and continues till May 31st, 2020. Among MHA's 7 prohibited activities, one of the guidelines is closure of school, colleges, educational training, coaching institution. Health safety of students appearing in SSC exam, HSSC exam cannot be compromised in view of increasing COVID-19 cases in Goa. Incidentally, it is also being given to understand that Goa till date has already recorded around 41 coronavirus cases and sadly the numbers are increasing. The safety of our innocent children is of paramount nature because these young people are pillars of our nation. If something wrong goes with these young pillars, the strength of our India will weaken. As it is an extraordinary situation created by the virus and the health safety of our students cannot be compromised, the students studying in class 10 and class 12 whose papers are remaining to be answered must be prompted on the basis of internal assessment or average marks secured by them in their preliminary examinations. As each student's respective score out of the 20 internal assessment marks have already gone from their schools to the Goa board, this 4 set scores out of 20 can be multiplied with 20 into 5 to reach the total 100 marks for each paper. As I am not an educationist, if better choice is available with an educationist, I would be more than happy if any other superior criteria is applied for marks and our students are saved from their ordeal of going through exams for good. Hope better sense prevails. In addition, the southwest monsoon will be hitting the Goa coast very soon and conducting exams in monsoon would be an arduous task for the authorities as well as difficult for students. Hence, the 2020 SSC and 2020 HSSC examination should not be anymore postponed further but cancelled. It will serve no purpose to go ahead with the examination on account of MHA guideline on closure of schools as well as the rising cases of pandemic coronavirus in Goa. The state of Goa cannot be above the MHA guideline and it should be adhered strictly. And above all, the safety of our children is of utmost importance. Yours sincerely, Alexo Reginaldo Lourenco, MLA, Kurtorim Constituency. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant on 18 May 2020 said that board examinations will be conducted in the state following social distancing norms and other precautionary measures.
SSC exam as usual continue जातले. आम्ही सांगला की हांव काळजात बोर्डाच्या चेअरमॅनाकडे उलयतालो. बोर्डाच्या चेअरमॅनान सांगला महाराष्ट्रातल्या स्टुडंटा खातीर तांच्यांनी एकीकडे महाराष्ट्रातले स्कूल घेतला जे महाराष्ट्रातले भुरगे त्या स्कुलान बसतले. कर्नाटकांनी तांच्यांनी एक स्कूल पळयला. थंयसल्या भुरग्यांक थंयसर आनी ज्या जाग्यार शक्य ना महाराष्ट्रातल्या भुरग्यांक गोंयांत येवचें पडटा तांकां तांच्यांनी वेगळ्या स्कुलाचें प्रोविजन केलां. आनी म्हणटा 2563 क्लासरूम तांच्यांनी आयडेंटिफाय केल्या. एका क्लासान 12च्या वयर भुरगे बसचे ना. त्या पंचायत एरियांनी तांच्यांनी स्कूल आयडेंटिफाय केल्या. तांच्यांनी सेंटर्स वाडयल्या आनी मॅक्झिमम सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग आनी हे सगळे प्रिकॉशन्स जे आसा ही घेतली वयतली.
Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and never miss any update.